Hey, what is up guys? So Blackview has quietly released the Blackview N6000, a compact device which I believe is expected to compete with the likes of the Alcatel K60 Mini, the Keyboard's King Kong Mini 3 and other compact devices. This smartphone may be small and compact, but it is packed with impressive specifications which I'll be mentioning in this video. And I think that I'll be comparing this device with the K60 Mini and other mini smartphones out there. Anyway, if you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the Blackview N6000 will be coming in 3 colors: black, orange and green. The device would have a thickness of 18.4 millimeters and is going to weigh about 208 grams. The device will be running on the Android 13 with Blackview's custom skin on top. And as for the display, it's going to be a 4.3-inch display with a 60Hz refresh rate, and the display is going to be protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Helio G99, which means this device may be small, but it's going to be a performance beast. Paired with the Helio G99 is 8GB of RAM, and the device would pack a 256GB internal storage. The device supports RAM expansion of up to 8GB, and the internal storage could be expanded via SD as well. The battery capacity is 3880 mAh and it supports 18 watts fast charging. Many other compact devices also have small batteries, which is how it should be. The 3880 mAh battery isn't expected to last for up to 2 days, but it still would be able to last for at least a day on a single charge. Now in the camera department, the device has a dual rear camera setup with a 48MP primary sensor, and in the front is a 16MP selfie. Now this compact device is a rugged device. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military standard Eastern Age certified, which means this device could survive being submerged in water. It is also dust resistant. Now other features of this phone includes GPS, dual 4G SIM slots, it supports NFC, Wi-Fi 5, gyroscope, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, and so on. The device is expected to be launched on the 24th of July. I do not know its official price when it's going to be launched, but for now it's available for about $250. So these are the top features and specs and price of the Blackview N6000. If you'd like to share anything about this compact smartphone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.
Perfect.